On-time auto glass, same-day service, all Bay Area. We come to you.
On-time auto glass mobile service, all San Francisco Bay Area. Lifetime workmanship guaranteed. Windshield replacement, windshield recalibration, rock chip repair, custom cut glass, camper glass replacement, windows off tracks, power windows problem, windows regulator, side view mirrors, RV mobile home glass replacement, all makes and models. Call or text 415-767-9509 or 510.
On-time auto glass, same-day service, all Bay Area. Call On-time auto glass.